Hello, welcome to Java course. I'm Salahuddin Najimi, and by this video, I want to start the Java course to all of you. Maybe some of you know about this course, some of you do know, but I want to mention if you know the other language, C or C++ language, that will be better and easy for you to start Java course right now with us. If you don't know about C++ and you want to learn the C language or C++ language, please go to my channel and watch that videos if you know the Pashto language. Okay, let's start with the Java course. First of all, in this video, go to the introduction part. Java is a language like C or C++ language that was created in 1995 for the first time. If you know the Java language, you can create mobile application, desktop application, websites, games. It will work in every area. And that is the some reasons that some people prefer to this language than other language. It's human-based language because it's easy if you know the English well. And the reason that this language is working in every computer. If you have Windows, if you have MacBook, Linux, and other computers, it can work there. So this is learn to simple use it. As I said before, and if you know the C++ and C Sharp, make it easy for the program to switch it. So this was the simple introduction and usage, and the reason that people prefer to this language. I will also give a simple example of the Java. Maybe you don't know. But for now, I don't want to start the Java coding. We will have an introduction, a basic code structure, and after that, we will go step by step. So to show a Java basic code, I'm using Visual Studio. You can use any coding uh, application in your computer. This is just a Java language basic code that print the sentence "Hello, John." So for now, don't worry about the other structure that what is public, what is typing, and the other things. We can introduce and describe those things later after. Okay, this is Java code. For now, we want to run this to run. For first, we should compile this code. How to compile this code? We should write Java C. This Java. Okay, we have compiled this code, and after compiling it, we should run it. To run the code, we should write Java space main and place enter. Okay, unfortunately, I have run other code that's called mine, but my this code file is mine2. So do mine2. Okay, my bad. So I make a mistake repeatedly. This is my last and final. Okay, hello John. This was just a simple example of Java. Okay, by this video, I want to end to this class and want to start and publish other videos in the next days. See you.